Hey everyone! Well, today we get possession of our new home, so here we are driving through the country to get to our new little small town home. I can't wait to show you, give you a tour of the inside as well as the outside. So here we go. So here we are, it's a windy day. We just arrived. This is the house here. I did show a picture on my community tab of this house. Here's our great driveway and no grass as of yet. I believe that's in about 3 weeks. But this is the house and the sidewalk. This is the street here. So cute. And now we'll go in. Here we go. Oh, we're trying to open the lockbox here to get the key. And I think hubby's struggling a little bit. Let's see if we get it. Okay, so here we go. We got it opened. Taking the key out, opening our black door, windows and front door all black, and we might hear an echo going in. This is our front entryway, this beautiful ceramic floor, and then wood floors here. It looks a bit dark. We'll turn on some lights here. I don't even know which lights are for what. Okay, here we go. So just off to the left of the front entryway is this bedroom. This bedroom will be used as an office, a home office, as well as a room for my dollhouse. And I do hope to collect dollhouses and have another one or two soon. We've got these two beautiful frosted doors, and we think that is just so beautiful. And then a double door closet right here. So then we go through our hallway here. Some of these light fixtures are going to be changed out and some we will keep. This one hanging over the stairway here going down to the basement we will keep. I think that's really cute. And here are the stairs that go down to the finished basement. And just off to the left here, we thought it would be a powder room. It is a full bathroom, which is really exciting. Today I'm actually going to be cleaning that room and decorating it. To the left here is the closet for our guests' coats. And just over here is a little door for our linen closet. And so when we come in here to the guest bathroom, we have this full tub and shower. Toilet, of course, with a window. And then a floor that matches the floor that was in the entryway. And I will turn on the light here. There we go. Oh, there's me. My countertop here. All of the hardware is black in this house, which I really like. I think that's very modern. And then the mirror here with these great light fixtures. So coming out of the bathroom, the hallway here, the entryway has a nice big blank wall, which I cannot wait to decorate. And really nice trim there. It's kind of high, so I like that. And I do like this railway or railing here with banister. It's a nice, it's brown, but it's sort of a grayish brown, which I really like. And then carpeting on the stairs, we will keep the carpeting for a little while and then may switch that out a little later on. But just off over here is our laundry room. So main floor laundry room, very simple, but like a really nice size. And the doorway from the laundry room to the garage. And then we are so excited to have this double door closet, which we are going to use as a family for our coats and our shoes and our boots. And we'll be coming through the garage into the home, probably using this entryway more than the front door. I think the front door will be left more for our guests. This floor is the same as the entryway and the guest bathroom. So then we walk into the main area of the house. To the right is where we will be putting our dining table. I have had to sell our kitchen table and dining room table and purchased a new one. I did do a shorts video showing you the two tables that we were sort of deciding between, and we did purchase one. I can't wait for it to be delivered, and it will go right here. This light fixture, again, we're going to live with it for a while and then maybe change it out once I find something that I find more suitable. So then over here, love, love, love that wall, just full of windows. We have a beautiful deck or balcony off of these sliding doors. We are so excited about this. Oh my goodness. We look out onto this area with all these trees. This whole area will be protected and nothing will be built behind here. And we're quite excited about that. And so the sun will set over there. As we go around my fireplace, I love this fireplace. Oh my goodness, it's a little bit farmhouse, I think, with this over here, the slatted wall or the shiplap. I really like that. We can put a TV here or choose to put a TV off to the side. We'll see. And then this great stone around the fireplace here. And then a cute little area here to put a little something. You know I'm going to decorate that. And then our kitchen. We had the microwave fan put in just the other day. We have white cupboards. My understanding is that white cupboards are on their way out, as is open concept homes. Well, I have white cupboards and now an open concept home. I love it, so it really doesn't matter to me that the professionals are saying that it's out of date. So here we have this lovely countertop, a stone countertop. It's very simple. Also on the backsplash, we bought a very nice tile. It's sort of a grayish, like a gray beige or a taupe. It's sort of a light to medium color. It's very simple, and I'm really looking forward to having that put in. And then our pantry. Oh my gosh, so excited about this pantry. I will turn on the light here, and it's just got sort of racks and racks. I'm just so excited about it. It's got a frosted door, just like the two that were on the room or home office that we saw in the entryway. Then our fridge will be going over here. Our gorgeous faucet, our nice wide sink there. And then the island is black, whereas the cupboards are white. So that's very popular now, and I really do like that look. So now let's go over. This is a bungalow. It's a one-level home. So that's why we chose to have the basement finished, for the extra space. Off of the dining area here is the master bedroom. It's a decent size. You can see the window there, again looking out to the beautiful trees. And behind the trees is, I think, a soccer field and a playground. And it's so lovely to hear the kids playing back there and laughing and screaming. We really love that. Here is our deck and our wall where our dresser will go. And then over here we have closets, his and hers. We have not figured out which one is mine and which one is my husband's. I guess it doesn't matter. They're both exactly the same size. And I like that. I think that's fair. Oftentimes you'll see a bigger closet for the woman. I just don't think that's fair. I think it's nice that they're even, the same size. Here we have his and her sinks and the same stone countertop as the guest bathroom, and some lovely light fixtures over the mirror, frosted window, toilet. I hope to be able to do something really pretty with this very blank wall here. And then our shower. No bathtub here, just shower, which is exactly what I wanted, with a nice seat. And there's a hole at the back of the seat here so that the water doesn't accumulate on top of the seat. And then again, black hardware on the shower. And then another linen closet, double door linen closet. We have so much closet space in this home. It is absolutely crazy and very, very exciting. So there we go. Okay, we are back in the entrance where the stairs lead down to the finished basement. So let's go down there. And you can see here the railing and the carpeted stairs, as well as the same floor that's upstairs, except down here it is wide plank. The builder wasn't able to get the same exact floor upstairs and downstairs, and that's okay. The color does match and we're okay with that. So this gigantic area here, which we're very excited about, I call it my ballroom. This is where I guess the family room will be. It will be sort of a rec room. And really this will be the area that my son hangs out in. And we're sort of giving him this basement. He's an adult now, and we really felt like he needed his space. He does still live with us, and so we thought it was important to give him a bit of, privacy. And he does get a little porch, I guess you would call it, out here. It's really nice with the stones that match the driveway. And this is underneath our deck that I showed you earlier. So now let's go over to the bedrooms. There are 2 bedrooms down here. They're not gigantic, but they're certainly a decent size. There is carpeting here in both rooms. My son prefers carpeting, so that's why we did this. Had it been up to me, I just would have put the floors that are all throughout the house, but he does like his warm carpeting, and that was fine by me. And a light fixture. These light fixtures are throughout part of the house. He's got his double door closet over there. And then right next door to his bedroom is the guest bedroom, which I'm also calling his girlfriend's bedroom, because when she comes over, this is where she'll be sleeping. So almost exactly the same size. The closet is over here rather than over here, the way the other bedroom is. And then next door to this room is a full bathroom. It's really a great bathroom. So you sort of have this little private area for the toilet, another little linen closet. Oh my gosh, I don't think we knew we were getting this linen closet, so it was wonderful to see that when we came in for our inspection yesterday. And that wood floor continues on in the bathroom. He has the exact same shower that we have. That's what we wanted for him. So we're excited about that. And then just over here, another mirror, vanity, sink, countertop. When we come out of the bathroom, we have this area here at the other end of the basement. We have no idea what to do with this area. It's so funny. Because of this finished basement, we have 3,000 square feet, and our other home that we're still living in is 2,100 square feet. So I have nothing to put in this area. We can certainly use it as perhaps a gaming area. If my son wants to purchase a pool table, that's certainly something he can do. I'm not sure, but it's so funny that I have an area of my home that I just don't know what to do with. So this is the full house. I cannot wait to take you along as I furnish and decorate every area of the home. And I will be doing that in the next month or so. We do not officially move in and sleep here until August 24th. So please watch out for future videos to show you the coming along of furnishing and decorating our new home. Thanks so much.